Hello everyone, good morning. So we already do know that the mixture or a mixture is a combination of two or more substances or compound. For today, I am going to show you some of the examples on how to separate this mixture. Now let's say for example, this is a mixture. Now there are different ways of separating mixture, one of which is hand picking. This is one of the easiest way to do it. I am going to separate them by colors. But of course, not all mixtures can be separated this easily. And that is what I am going to try to show you next. But just to give you a glimpse or an example, this is what it looks like to separate mixture using hand picking method. Now let's say you have a rice that is fresh from the rice fields. So it is full of stones, dust and everything. You are not going to cook that directly, right? You are going to submerge it first in water and rinse it a few times. Now this process is actually called decantation. Let me show this to you. As what you can see here, I already submerged the rice into the water and there is clearly a debris floating in the water. Now there are dust and there is insect as well. Now imagine eating that. So it is really very important to wash your rice before cooking it. I also prepare another set of example here for you. And it is much clear or evident here that there are dust, small stones and insects floating in the water. Now, what I just showed you is called decantation again, where we can separate less dense substance from the denser one. In that case, the water is a less dense substance and the rice is the denser substance. Now, I'm sure some of you already experienced this without even knowing that you are already doing a separating of mixture, which is decantation. Now, let me show you another one. This right here is a drinking water. As you can see, there is some debris here and we are going to separate this from the water itself. Now, look at this. The clean water is being filtered through here and some of the debris will fall on top. So as you can see, there is no debris here in the water that after it is being filtered already. Now the process that I just showed you is called filtration. Will you use a filter mesh cloth or a filter paper to separate solid from liquid? Now those are just some of the ways or many ways on how to separate mixture. Stay tuned to my next video so that you can see another set of ways in how to separate mixture. But for now, bye!